There's the move. Let's get in. Can we see that fast move up? Maybe towards the point of control. There we go. That's the nice move. Good. Very good. I'm gonna put one cell here. I'm just gonna move my stop. You see that how they go down but they quickly go up again. I think there is some more movement to the upside. So I just moved with TP. There's the break. Beautiful. Come on. That's a big offer that we were talking about. Can they hit it? Come on, that's my target, probably. That's a lot of buying, but it's being absorbed by the sellers as well. Can we see another move? There's the drop. Wow. 1.162k.